Yo, what's going on, guys? Sam Cole here. Welcome back to another video, and we are taking a look today, a first look actually, at Apple's self-service repair program, which is one of the wilder things I've ever seen. I don't know what I was expecting, but when I rented tools for $49, I guess 2 Pelican cases showing up at my door wasn't the first thought, but we'll get back to those in a second. Where I really want to start here is with the actual parts, because that's the big draw of this program. Of course, you can now rent tools from Apple to do it yourself, which is super cool, but more importantly, you can actually buy parts for your phone and just get the parts themselves. And because I've had a broken screen on my iPhone 12 Pro for the past year, I thought it was time to fix it, so I ordered a screen, and that's what I got inside. I mean, jumping in here, there's a couple bits of documentation about the repair before you get started, and then you have some display adhesive, some security screws that come in the smallest white envelope that's even oversized for them considering how absolutely tiny they are, and then of course what I ordered, which was specifically a new display for my iPhone 12 Pro. Obviously, what you guys are seeing here, this packaging is relevant to the display because that's what I ordered, but if you order something else, you're going to get some different parts, and of course the packaging might be a little bit bigger or smaller, but there it is. This is an OEM screen directly from Apple. You know, I'm new to this, so I'm not going to be fingerprinting this up right out of the gate, but that's it. It's just sitting in there, and I'm actually going to fix this tomorrow in a super special collab, which you guys will see go live on Sunday, that I am absolutely thrilled about, but for now, just a teaser of the screen. I got what I ordered. The way more interesting part of this is, of course, the Pelican cases that you get when you rent Apple's tools for $49, because everything inside of here you can buy directly from Apple straight up for a one-time fee, or for a week you can rent them for $49 and they will ship these giant crates to you with no packaging. It's just the crates that show up at your door. These crates specifically have the iPhone 12 repair parts, so like 6.1-inch device holders and screen presses and battery presses. There's actually a lot of wild stuff in here, and of course it's again slightly different cases if you get a different model of iPhone or doing a different repair. I mean, I could go item by item, but essentially just know that to my knowledge they are sending the Genius Bar to your door. Like, they have compartmentalized the Genius Bar, the same experience you would get at an Apple store, in these cases, and it is by far the wildest approach to self-repair I've ever seen. I mean, obviously for years you could buy parts from third parties and do this stuff on your own, but Apple's just like, no, we're going to do it our way. We are just going to send you the Apple Store. Hey, you want to fix your iPhone? Okay, fine. You're a Genius Bar employee for the day. You get to fix your phone, and everything's going to be packaged up super nicely, and it's going to arrive right to your door in a couple of days. Listen, I've spent just a few moments with all of this stuff, and again, I'm going to do the full repair like in a day, so my initial impressions are that it's all very well built. It feels sturdy. I'm impressed. I mean, again, you're renting it for $49, so it's nothing that you're going to get to keep, but the experience is definitely worth it. I mean, the shipping alone, I feel like, had to be $49. I don't know how Apple is actually making money off the repair. Overall, I just had to make a quick video sharing this with you because I hadn't seen anybody else talk about it yet, and it's wild. Like, this is here, and in the most Apple fashion ever, they didn't go halfway here and send you a couple of screws. They sent you the entire Genius Bar, and it's wild and also crazy intimidating. Like, a normal person getting these boxes, if I feel like I signed up for too much already and I haven't even started the repair. Anyway, guys, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed this. More on Apple's self-service repair to come, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.